Alright guys, I know I haven't recorded a video in a while. Been kind of busy and it's been raining every weekend. So today I'm going to install a Buddy Club short shifter and some shifter plate boot cover that I got from some guy I saw on Instagram. I'll link his profile in the video. And let's get started on this install. Alright, I believe to remove this cover, you just gotta press in here. You might want to use a plastic cover removal tool. You can use a plastic tool remover like this, but I think I'm able to get it off without it. Never mind. Forgot we need to remove the shift knob first. Then you're gonna run into issues removing the entire assembly. And once you get this off, you need to unplug these cables. For the shifter plate that I purchased, you just need to remove these 3 screws here. I'll get to that later. In order to remove the top part of it, you have to remove those 2 screws. I'm not sure if you can see it there. But yeah, there's 2 screws on the top, so you can get the top radio assembly off, I guess. Let me get to that right now. Okay, now these two screws have been removed. You don't want to pop out this plastic on the top. I believe you have to use for this one at least, I know you have to use a plastic removal tool. So let me get started on that. I forgot to mention, since I have the stock radio, there's two screws on each side here. Let me get a better light. Let me see. I don't know if you see that bolt right there. There's one on each side. You need to remove for the stock radio nerve for this plastic part to come off. So let me get that off right now. Okay, looks like it's a size 8 to get these stereo bolts out. You can, I guess, stick your hand in through the footwell here. I'm gonna try to take the easy way out and do it through here. So let's see. Crap, that was harder than I thought, guys. I got the two bolts removed, so I was able to unclip all this crap from the radio. Now all that's left is to unclip this from the bottom, which is I think the worst part. So let me keep trying. Alright, so I finally got those shifter cables off. Apparently, I don't know if you see those knobs right there. You're supposed to rotate them to the left on both sides, and to get them back on, you'll have to rotate them to the right. So let me get this back on so I can show you. For the shifter plate cover, it's just 3 screws in the back of the plate here. So I'm gonna put this on. It should go like this, and when it's on, it should, I think I have it upside down, but let me fix that up real quick. Alright, it should look like this. Pretty sick. Again, I'll link the guy's page in my description, and I'll put it up somewhere here in the screen. So let me put the whole thing back together. Alright, if you guys can see that clip that you have to remove when you rotate to the left, to get it back on, you need to rotate to the right. It's a little difficult. I got this side on already. Not sure if you can see. But yeah, it takes a little bit of fidgeting with. It feels like it's gonna break, but I guess it does take a little bit of force. So always make sure you're rotating to the right and push upwards. Okay, I finally got it in. Feels very notchy. So let me get the whole assembly back on, and I'll take it for a test drive. Okay, so everything's back on. Make sure you don't break your clips when you're popping the plastics back on. Feels great. Reverse. Okay. Time for a test drive.